In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 1688 shopping site on laptop. Start by opening your browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and head to 1688.com. Chrome is the easiest because it has built-in translation. Once the page loads, look for the Dung Lu button, which means log in, and click it. You can sign in a few different ways. Use your phone number, your existing Alibaba or Alipay account, or scan the QR code with the 1688 mobile app. The QR method is usually the quickest and most secure because it avoids typing on the desktop site and pairs directly with your account. Since the site is in Chinese by default, translate the page to English so it's easier to navigate. On Chrome, right-click anywhere and choose Translate to English. Sometimes Chrome will auto-translate for you. If it doesn't, the right-click option does the trick. To find products, use the search bar at the top. You'll get the best results with Chinese keywords. For example, try nu zhuang for women's clothing, xiezi for shoes, or gonghan zhixiao for factory direct. A quick translator can help you get the right terms. After searching, you can refine by price, region, or other filters to narrow down suppliers. If you have a photo of what you want, use image search. Click the camera icon in the search bar, upload your picture, and browse similar items. Clear, front-facing images work best. If the results are broad, try cropping the image to highlight the key details. Before you buy, check supplier credibility. Click the store name and look for badges like Shili Shangjia, which indicates a verified seller, and Gonghan, which means it's a factory. Review the store age, 3 years or more is a good sign, along with sales volume, repeat buyers, and the business license details. Comparing a few stores helps you spot consistent quality and pricing. If you have questions, click Lian Shi Mai Jia to chat through Ali Wang Wang, the built-in messenger. Keep messages simple and polite. Translation tools work well. Confirm product specs, minimum order quantities, color or size options, processing time, and shipping to your warehouse. When you're ready to order, choose your options and click Liji Gomai or Buy Now. Enter your China warehouse address. Many international buyers use a third-party forwarding warehouse. Make sure the address and recipient code are exact to avoid delays. For payment, select Alipay and complete checkout. Your payment is held in escrow until you confirm receipt, which adds a layer of protection for your order. To track your purchase, go to Wode Dingdan or My Orders. There, you can see shipping